I'm going to teach you guys how to use the flick clip to make or create a new animation project. Okay, here is the, when you open this, here is the home page, home screen of this app. Okay, let's we start it. Here is the start button here. So click it. And then name your animation. Just text the name you want. And then for here to choose your canvas size. And when you open it, you could say here there's many choice you could make. And I choose for YouTube, high resolution. And then we could choose frame per second here, or you could ignore and choose how many frame you want at the end of the editing. And here's some background choice. You could do some science picture pattern, or you could just directly add some new picture from new devices or taking a new photos here. Okay, after we finishing this, select cyan. I could choose this one. Okay, here is the tool area. First it's brush, eraser, lasso, color filter, and the text function. And the first one, you could say the brushes, there will have 4 different kind of brush you can choose. And now I choose a brush here. Yeah. And there is a bar control like this. You could control the way or like how weighty or bold your text or your stroke. And here is the filter saturation. Here you could choose a proper color for your artwork, for your animation, and choose the saturation here. I'm just testing the color to choose a green color because I want to create and leave in my animation. Okay, so when you move here, you could find there is an eraser here. Yeah, I draw here, and you could just use eraser to erase it. Yeah, and then I'm start to use the pen to draw leaf shapes. I'm choosing the green color and slightly because I'm just do a quick example, so when you do your own animation you could use more time to do it. Obviously just use a pen is seems not so perfect, so I'm gonna to click the brush to change tool brushes to change use the brush and to fill the green color on it, and yeah, like this. Okay, so I could draw another leaves here in a new screen. You could click here to add more new image, more new design here, and you could see the effect like this. Then we could use the frame viewer. You could adjust the sequence in here, like you said. I drag the one and I could put it in anywhere. Here's assist tool can help you to with the straight line, round line, another line. For sound, we could have five soundtrack for your animation, and you could lock it. The text function, you just click the text and then text the word you want. Maybe for me, I text mailbox, and then choose a typeface for here. just move it. Be careful, just you have to drag this point. You cannot move that surrounding this mill. That's made the text more larger, but not. Okay, I still adjusting it to put on the area I want. Okay, I'm finished. Then I could see the whole effect will be. If you think it's done, yeah, you could clean the menu on the top of the screen here and click make a movie, and you still could change the format or like the here and change the some others. Then if you think you're finished, you could just make a movie and could share it directly on YouTube, Facebook, and others. I think that all. Hope you could help you guys.